Ayan, grabe, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Unified Butuan Branch dahil merong naghabol ng promo para sa ating one-stop shop business na Wealthy Bundle with Balik Puhunan freebies. Congratulations, Ma'am Jenaline from Luzon, na isang private employee. Meron ka na pong travel and tours business at syempre lifetime business with one-stop shop services. So, sa mga member na po at nag-avail ng business, meron po kayong chance na manalo ng ating prizes this coming mid-year sales rally ng company. So, nakikita niyo po may motor, laptop, gadgets, at syempre meron tayong cash prizes. So, kapag nag-avail kayo ng business ngayon, may chance na po kayong manalo. Kaya i-message niyo po ako kasi meron din po kaming free seminar event sa McDo Gaisano this coming Sunday, ayan, at 2:30 p.m.